Hello, I am the CryptoBot. Please like and share the video. So what is an AppCoin? AppCoin tokens, APPC tokens, are ERC-20 compatible tokens distributed on the Ethereum blockchain pursuant to a related ERC-20 smart contract. AppCoins is meant for use in the AppCoins blockchain platform to perform transactions in the App Store ecosystem. This new AppCoins Power App Economy Network will be launched within the next 12 months, leveraging on existing 200 million annual unique active users of the Aptoide App Store. Aptoide is an alternative marketplace for mobile applications which run on the Android operating system. In Aptoide, unlike the default Google Play Store, there is not a unique and centralized store, but each user manages their own store. How can it be used? Advertising. Developers can reward users for 2 minutes of attention. Blockchain provides proof of attention. In-app purchases. Users can pay for items with AppCoins bought with fiat currency or previously earned. App approval. Developers are ranked as trusted, unknown, or critical according to their transactions. What is AppCoin trying to accomplish? For users, a trusted environment with new purchasing possibilities. For developers, a transparent and efficient way to monetize their apps and build a reputation. For app stores, a new universal language that ensures trust without intermediaries. AppCoin already has some key advisors from Google Play, Goldman Sachs, 10x, Bitcoin Core, and Ripple Core. AppCoin is currently exclusively listed on Binance.com since January 5th, where it has been in the top trading volume from scratch, with more agreements on exchanges being closed and probably one more during next week. APPC will get a bigger reach very soon. Next big thing on the roadmap is the release of the first beta version of Aptoide with AppCoin's support for Q1 of 2018.